Hello, fellow food enthusiasts, and welcome back. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey to discover the mouth-watering world of American enchiladas. But wait, there's so much more to this beloved dish than meets the taste buds. Get ready to uncover some fascinating unknown facts that will leave you craving for more. So, grab your aprons, because it's time to spice things up. Introduction to American enchiladas. Our culinary adventure begins with this tantalizing plate of American enchiladas. These flavorful delights are a Tex-Mex favorite, featuring tortillas stuffed with a variety of fillings, smothered in a savory sauce, and baked to perfection. The combination of textures and flavors is absolutely irresistible. But today, we're diving deeper into the secrets and surprises of this beloved dish. The origin story. Did you know that American enchiladas have a rich history dating back to the ancient Aztec civilization? They originally consisted of tortillas dipped in chili sauce and then filled with various ingredients. The dish we know today has evolved from these ancient roots. It's a culinary journey through time. The Tex-Mex connection. American enchiladas are a quintessential part of Tex-Mex cuisine, but their influence extends far beyond Texas and Mexico. The Tex-Mex fusion of American and Mexican flavors has created a beloved culinary tradition that's celebrated across the United States. It's the best of both culinary worlds. The sauce secrets. At the heart of every great American enchilada is the sauce. Some recipes call for a red chili sauce, while others use a rich and creamy cheese sauce. The sauce can make or break the dish, and every chef has their secret recipe. It's all about that saucy magic. The versatile fillings. One of the charms of American enchiladas is their versatility. You can fill them with a variety of ingredients, from shredded chicken and beef to beans, cheese, and vegetables. It's a canvas for culinary creativity. Regional enchilada variations. While American enchiladas have Tex-Mex roots, various regions across the United States have put their own spin on this beloved dish. In New Mexico, for example, you'll find the famous green chili enchiladas, made with hatch green chilies that add a unique and fiery flavor. It's like a cross-country enchilada expedition. The enchilada Suiza mystery. Ever heard of enchilada Suiza? It's a puzzling name for an enchilada variation. Suiza means Swiss in Spanish, yet it's a dish you won't find in Switzerland. The mystery lies in its creamy, cheesy sauce, which might have been inspired by Swiss cheese. It's a cheesy enigma. Enchiladas for every occasion. American enchiladas are more than just a meal. They're a part of celebrations and traditions. Whether it's a family gathering, a holiday feast, or a Cinco de Mayo fiesta, enchiladas have a special place on the menu. It's a party on a plate. The art of rolling enchiladas. Rolling enchiladas may seem simple, but it's an art form. Achieving the perfect balance of filling and sauce, rolling them tightly without tearing the tortilla, and arranging them in a baking dish requires skill and patience. It's a labor of love. Enchiladas and family traditions. Enchiladas often hold a special place in family traditions. Many people have cherished recipes that have been passed down through generations, creating a delicious link to their cultural heritage. It's not just a dish, it's a taste of home and heritage. Enchilada etiquette. When enjoying American enchiladas, there's a bit of etiquette to keep in mind. Some believe that it's customary to roll the enchilada from the bottom up, while others prefer to roll it sideways. Either way, it's all about personal preference and respecting tradition. Every bite can be a delicious adventure. Enchiladas beyond the plate. American enchiladas have inspired creativity beyond the dining table. You'll find enchilada-themed festivals, cook-off competitions, and even enchilada-inspired art. It's a testament to the dish's cultural significance. It's a whole enchilada world out there. Enchiladas and cultural fusion. American enchiladas showcase the beauty of cultural fusion. They've been influenced by Mexican, Spanish, and Native American culinary traditions, blending flavors and techniques to create something uniquely American. It's a delicious melting pot of cultures. The Enchilada Challenge. Enchiladas aren't just a meal, they're sometimes a culinary challenge. Some restaurants offer enchilada challenges, where brave diners attempt to finish an enormous platter of enchiladas within a time limit. It's not for the faint of heart. It's a battle between appetite and ambition. Enchilada variations. American enchiladas come in many forms, from traditional rolled enchiladas to stacked enchiladas, enchilada casseroles, and even enchilada-inspired pizzas. Each variation adds a unique twist to this beloved dish. It's a culinary playground. And there you have it, folks. The delicious and diverse world of American enchiladas, where etiquette, art, challenges, and fusion create a tapestry of flavors and experiences. Whether you're a seasoned enchilada enthusiast or new to this culinary delight, there's always more to explore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more culinary adventures. Until next time, keep savoring the many flavors of American enchiladas and the stories they tell.